Hi, my name is Jeff, and I'll be the spokesman today in today's video. I'm from the Stream Machines YouTube channel where we take the difficult things of streaming and help you one video at a time. In this video, we're going to take a look at a thought that my team have been talking about, that we believe why these types of boxes that are all in one destroy all other on devices from Walmart. We're going to take a look at why we think it does, and we're going to take a look at that. So if this is your first time to the Stream Machines YouTube channel, hey, thanks for tuning in. We're not the only one on YouTube, and we're not even the best, but we've been around a while, and we're grateful for everyone that follows. Speaking of streaming, it is changing so fast. It is hard to keep up. I mean, from the Fire Sticks breaking the headlines of breaking down one moment and then the next minute, secret code to get the apps that you want. It fluctuates so people can get views. Then you have the other side where you have a group of very novice or new type of streamers that have fallen in love with the Walmart device called an on device. I am not one of those people. I bought the on device just, to be honest, just so you would watch my videos. I think it's one of the crappiest boxes out there, and I know I'm probably going to get a lot of flack for it, but I'm going to explain why. When you buy a device like this one, I can't say the name, but it's one that is already set up for a consumer. Not much to do, not much to say, not much in setting it up. It takes less than 6 minutes to set this device up. Even for some of my older customers that have bought this, they're 70 and 80 years old and they love these devices. The number one reason why I believe these devices, whether it be this device or other devices that come out of China, are better than an on device is the versatility. Now, I'm going to have people say, well, how is that a versatile device? The on device does this, and it lets you put another launcher on there, and it lets you get rid of the ads, and it has Dolby, and it has all of these, the Google launcher, and it's really inexpensive, where this device retails for $329. $329 can get you one of these devices. Now, the reason this device beats it for versatility is I'm talking about the consumer. The consumer that's coming into streaming right now are novices. They don't know a lot. They know that they're tired of paying so much, but they don't know a lot. So when you talk about streaming, you're talking about changing someone's life. How about someone on a fixed income and now you're trying to charge them a monthly fee for a TV service you don't even own? Whereas you can turn to one of these devices in less than 6 to 10 minutes. They are up and running and happy. Now, you're saying, well, the on device lasts longer than this. How is it more versatile? Well, these devices, yes, they will always last. But let's be honest, hardware resellers, wholesalers out of China get paid to sell hardware. They don't get paid to make your TV last forever. So versatility, it's not about the hardware, it's about the customer. And in my eyes, if a customer's on a fixed income and we can help them get one of these devices, it's going to save them, I don't know, a lot of money. The second reason this is better than an on device is learning curve. You have to, if you don't have an on device, you don't know. To make it better, you have everyone showing you what the best launcher is. You have everyone showing you developer options. You have everyone showing you how to get rid of the ads on the device. You have everyone showing you, or those that like it, showing you so many things you can do with the device. That's good for that type of customer. it's not good for the new customers, right? Now they have to find someone that sells internet television. Now they have to find how to side load a third-party app. What's that? Now they have to do this, and now they have to do that. The consumer just wants to watch TV. Just because you learn to do that doesn't mean everybody else wants to. Oh, can I get an amen? So this is the only reasons, only a few reasons why we believe, myself and my team believe that these devices will always destroy Walmart's device called the ONN device. And the last reason that these devices are better than Walmart or ONN devices is because we're making the rich richer. Why? Sam Walton owns Walmart. Google owns streaming. If I'm lying, I'm dying, and I'm not. If you want to know what streaming's doing, follow Google. Google will let you know exactly if streaming's going away and what they're doing. How do I know? Google bought YouTube TV and created it. Google bought Sunday Ticket. Google bought and gave the rights to all other devices, all other smart TVs that has the Google launcher on every single device. 90% of the devices have the Google launcher. They're making millions of dollars. Now you have the Walmart getting into streaming when Google has taken all of the streamers on YouTube. You can't show everything on YouTube because you'll get a strike. You can't show what you used to be able to show because they don't want it on their platform, and it's their platform. But if Google is in all of the TVs in retail all over America and abroad with their launcher on all of the devices, the Google launcher, who's making who's richer? Come on, man. It's the truth. Now, when you get a device like this, it's really simple, okay? You got 5 apps. You got live, on demand, live. That's it. If you can't find what you're looking for there, I don't know what to tell you. You have a cleaner to clean up. You have a way to contact support. You have Netflix that's not really the main Netflix. It's probably 720. And you have access to some of the best settings in a small market. Come on, this is one of the best devices out there for a novice streamer. And 92% of the people right now are novices. 9 out of 10 people want to know what we know and just want to watch TV. So I look forward to seeing what you think about this video. And I appreciate you just taking our thoughts, and maybe we're wrong and maybe we're right. Put your stuff in the comments. We'd love to chat it up with you. These are just our thoughts, and we stand on them. Oh, by the way, if you want to see what this device can do, I'll put a link in the description. You can go to another platform so you can see how it runs so smooth. And we're even giving $75 discounts to those that want to purchase it. That is a massive savings right there. $75 off the retail price. Hey, thanks for watching this video. I look forward to seeing you guys in the next one.